Why are NFTs becoming popular? As the world progresses towards virtual reality, buying digital assets to eventually enter the VR world is on the rise. An NFT is a unique, authenticated, digital file. You can definitely just save a picture or video you love and have it for free, but an NFT allows you to know you own the real, original item. NFTs are allowing people to buy and sell digital assets like never before. The value of an NFT is largely based on what someone is willing to pay for it, so it's hard to say whether they will be a good investment long term. NFTs are giving artists a whole new way to sell their creations. Sites like Open Sea and Rarible allow artists to turn their work into an NFT and sell it on the platform. As with any investment, there are some risks associated with these trendy digital collectibles. Besides the value of your investment going down if demand for NFTs decreases, authenticity is another risk associated with NFTs. One of the risks is knowing whether the person you're buying an NFT from truly has the rights to the item. So do your research, understand the risks, and find credible platforms to collect or create NFTs that may earn you some money.